Google Photos only allows 500 photos or videos to download at a time. So to select multiple photos, one trick is to move your cursor on a date where you took a lot of photos. You see a tick mark, and then just select that tick mark, and then we select all the photos on that day. Then if you keep scrolling down and then hold your shift key, and you should see this blue filter coming up. Once that blue filter appears and you see a tick mark, select that and then check how many you have selected. It shows 406 photos are selected. That means we can download, because this is within the 500 limitation of Google Photos to download photos and videos. Then click on these three dots and then click on download, or obviously you could also use Shift plus D to download. In my next video, I will show you how to download all your photos from your Google Photos. The link is in the description below.